Hello friends, this is Professor Sanjay Christian, Assistant Professor of JG Institute of Business Administration. I'm a faculty of Mathematics and Statistics in JG College. In semester 1, the subject which is going to be there is Basic Mathematics. In basic mathematics, there will be total 4 units. Unit number 1 is having only one chapter, that is set theory. The weightage of this chapter is 25 percentage and total 18 marks will be there for this chapter in Gujarat University. Unit 2 is having total 2 chapters. The first chapter is function and second chapter is limit. The weightage of this chapter is also 25 percentage and the total marks of this unit is going to be 18. Unit 3 is having total 1 chapter, that is permutation and combination. This chapter is having 25 percentage of weightage and 17 marks will be allocated to this unit. Lastly, unit number 4 is having 2 chapters. The first chapter is coordinate geometry and second chapter is arithmetic and geometric progression. The weightage is 25 percentage and total 17 marks is allocated to this unit. So total 70 marks will be there if we combine all the units. Let us understand the marking criteria. Marking criteria will be done in 2 ways. The first is internal marking and second is external marking. What do we mean by internal marking? Internal marking is done by the college itself on the basis of your attendance. If you are regular in the college, you are going to get 5 marks. If you are submitting assignment, you are going to get 10 marks and 15 marks will be counted on the basis of the performance of college examination. So total will be 30 marks. Out of these 30 marks, student must get 12 marks as a passing criteria. In the same way, external marking will be done by the Gujarat University on the basis of total 4 units. Obviously, each unit will be weightage as 25 percentage. As I said earlier, first unit will be of 18 marks, unit 2 will be of 18 marks, unit 3 will be of 17 marks and unit 4 will be of 17 marks. So total the examination will be of 70 marks and the passing criteria is 28 out of 70 marks. Let us understand practically. This is one mark sheet of semester 1 and one of your senior student. I made 2 rectangles. The first rectangle is having the seat number and name of the student and second rectangle is related with my subject. Understand the values which are there in the mark sheet. 70 marks. As I said earlier, Gujarat University is going to take examination of 70 marks, that is external examination we can say, and you can see 30 is the internal marking which is done by the college. The passing criteria in the external is 28 and the passing criteria in the internal is 12. The student, that is Sweta Gohil, got 60 marks out of 70 in Gujarat University examination. Okay, now understand how this 30 is counted. Understand, it is really very important for you. As I said, 5 marks is related with attendance, 10 marks is related with assignment, and 15 marks will be the performance in the college examination. So try to understand this really very important portion. The student Sweta Gohil was a regular in the college, so she got 5 marks because of her attendance. Same way, she was submitting each and every assignment, so she got 10 marks related with assignment, and obviously 15 marks will be counted on the basis of the performance. So understand the criteria. College may have taken examination of 70 marks and she got 70 out of 70 in college examination. So if we use basic mathematics, we can count in this way that out of 70, okay, out of 70, student got 70, so how much the student gets out of 15? Okay, so normal formula will be 15 into 70 whole upon 70, answer is going to get 15. So the performance of Sweta Gohil in the in the college examination is obviously good, and that's why she's going to get 15 out of 15. Okay, so if we count her internal marking, so 5 plus 10 plus 15, so total will be 30, and that's why you can see 30 marks in the internal and you can see 30 marks in the mark sheet. Try to understand second example. One of the mark sheet of semester 1, which is of your senior. First rectangle, seat number and name. Second rectangle related with my subject. Please try to understand why I am taking this as an example. Again, 70 marks is the external marks. Gujarat University is taking examination of 70 marks, and 30 is the internal marking which is done by the college. 28 is the passing mark in the external and 12 is the passing mark in the internal examination. The student got only 28 marks in Gujarat University out of 70, so it is written 28. Understand how this 18 is counted. Please understand. I will give conclusion related to both the examples. Try to understand. Obviously 5 marks for attendance, 10 marks for assignment, and 15 marks will be the performance of the student in college examination. This is the student. Let us think that a student was regular, so we got she got 5 marks, and
Obviously, in assignment, she got 10 marks because she has submitted her assignment. Try to understand the performance of the student in the college examination. College took 70 marks of exam and the student got only 12 marks. So if we use our mathematics, obviously we can write in this way: out of 70 the student got 12 marks, so how much she can get out of 15? So normal, it will be 15 into 12 whole upon 70. Answer is going to come as 2.57, which is approximately 3. So the performance of the student was poor, and that's why she is going to get only 3 marks out of 15 marks. So in college examination she performed really very what we can say that not properly, so she got 3 marks. So total will be 5 plus 10 is 15, and 15 plus 3 answer is 18. So you can see 18 marks in the mark sheet. The conclusion of showing these two examples is you have to score really very good marks in college examination to get a fantastic internal marking. I hope everybody understood. Thank you so much.